Welcome to our retirement, folks. There we are, look at this. Isn't that nice? And I can't show you them because Alethea's here and she forbids me to film her. There's pretty Pat.
I've got chicken.
Chicken what? Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour chicken. I've got a chicken curry. David's got a vermicelli. Yeah. Pat, I don't know what Tracy's
Tracy's got a...
I've got Singapore vermicelli vegetarian.
Right.
And Alicia's got
Chicken chow mein.
Chicken chow mein. It's very nice. Well, it looks very nice.
Chicken curry.
Yeah, yeah. And what have we here, folks? Is this it all here?
Yeah.
In that big box?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is going up today, folks. In here. Replace that curtain.
But then you also have to put that end on.
Need a mallet.
No, you don't. You do. You need it lifting up.
Documenting it. So we've got that on there so far. Got that frame built up there. But you can't see it, can you? It's in. Oops, sorry. It's in, but it's got to be siliconed. That wedge, whatever you call them, has got to be taken out. Packer. Yeah, it's got to be all siliconed in down there, yeah. But Davey's gone home to watch football match. So there it is, folks. You can hardly see it, can you? English, look, it was a complicated thing to sort out, but it's in. Very nice.